Lesson 2 Numbers and Sequences Part 5 Congruence Modulo Properties and Examples presented by Superfast Learners. Properties of Modulo Operator Theorem 5 A, B, C and D are integers and M is a positive integer such that and C congruent to D mod M, then A plus C congruent to B plus D mod M, then A minus C congruent to B minus D mod M. A into C congruent to B into D mod M. Addition property. Examples for this addition property. 4 is congruent to 12 mod 8 and 3 is congruent to 27 mod 8. Find 39 mod 8. These two now subjected to addition. 4 plus 3 congruent to 12 plus 37 mod M. LHS side 7 congruent to RHS side 39 mod M. Hence the answer is 7. Another example. 43 congruent to 6 mod 37. 67 congruent to 30 mod 37. Find 110 mod 37. 43 plus 67 equal to 6 plus 30 mod 37. We have added LHS side. Similarly, RHS side we have added here also. Then LHS side 110 congruent to 36 mod 37. Or 110 mod 37 is congruent to 36 because A congruent to B mod M implies B congruent to A mod M. Hence in this case answer is 36. Addition property. Some more applications. Already we have seen A congruent to B mod M implies B congruent to A mod M. Also A congruent to B mod M implies A mod M congruent to B mod M. 7 congruent to 27 mod 10. 0 congruent to 110 mod 10. Find 137 mod 10. From these two equations, how to get 137? The RHS side, if we add 137 is obtained. Therefore, we need to simply add these two equations. 7 plus 0 congruent to 137 mod 10. 7 congruent to 137 mod 10. Example 52 congruent to 90 mod 48. 19 congruent to 67 mod 48. Find 157 mod 48. Now RHS side 90 and 67. If added we will get 157. Hence we need to use the addition property. So LHS side 42 plus 19. Therefore, 61 mod 48 is congruent to 157 mod 48. 61 mod 48 is 13. That is 61 when divided by 48, remainder will be 13. Therefore, 13 congruent to 157 mod 48. Properties of modulo operator. Modulo operation on negative number. Since 0 congruent to km mod m, where k is some integer, then A congruent to B mod m implies A congruent to km plus B mod m. Example, find minus 12 mod 10. We know that 0 congruent to 20 mod 10. Minus 12 mod 10 is required. Is congruent to minus 12 plus 0 mod 10. 0 is congruent to minus 12 plus 20 mod m. In modulo operation, adding the multiples of the divisor will not alter the equation. Therefore, this will not alter the equation. Now, RHS side minus 12 plus 20 is 8. Therefore, the expression becomes congruent to 8 mod 10. This is nothing but 8. Another example, find minus 11 mod 7. Minus 11 mod 7 is congruent to minus 11 plus 0 mod 7 is congruent to minus 11 plus 14 mod 7 congruent to 3 mod 7 equal to 3. Subtraction property, that is A equal to B mod M and C equal to D mod M, then A minus C is congruent to B minus D mod M. Now examples, 4 congruent to 12 mod 8 and 3 congruent to 27 mod 8. Find 15 mod 8 and minus 15 mod 8. Now from the second equation, first equation is subtracted. 3 minus 4 congruent to 27 minus 12 mod 8. LHS side minus 1 congruent to 15 mod 8. This is equation 1. we need 15 mod 8 in terms of positive value. We know 8 is congruent to 0 mod 8. Therefore, this is added to equation 1. 8 added to minus 1, right side 0 added to 15. Therefore, equation 1 becomes minus 1 plus 8 congruent to 15 plus 0 mod 8. 7 congruent to 15 mod 8. Answer is 7. Minus 15 equal to 12 minus 27. Therefore, minus 15 mod 8 is congruent to 12 mod 8 minus 27 mod 8. 12 mod 8 is 4 minus 27 mod 8 is 3. 3. 4 minus 3, 1. Another example, 43 congruent to 6 mod 37. 26 congruent to 137 mod 37. Find 94 mod 37. 94 is 137 minus 43. 94 mod 37 congruent to 137 mod 37 minus 43 mod 37. 43 mod 37 is 6 because mod 37 can be interchanged on either side of this symbol. Then equal to 137 mod 37 is 26 minus 43 mod 37 is 6. 26 minus 6, 20. Answer is 20. In theorem 5, multiplication property A into C congruent to B into D mod M, where A is congruent to B mod M and C is congruent to D mod M. Some examples using this property. 4 congruent to 12 mod 8, equation 1. 3 congruent to 27 mod 8. This is equation 2. Find 324 mod 8. Multiply equation 1 and 2. LHS side 4 into 3 congruent to 12 mod 8 into 27 mod 8. LHS side 12 congruent to 324 mod 8, or 12 mod 8 congruent to 324 mod 8, because 12 is greater than the divisor 8. Hence LHS side 4 congruent to 324 mod 8. Answer is 4. Another example, 13 congruent to 43 mod 15. 7 congruent to minus 8 mod 15. Find minus 344 mod 15. We know minus 344 is equal to 43 into minus 8. Therefore, we multiply these two equations. LHS side 13 and 7 multiplied. 13 into 7 congruent to 43 mod 15 into minus 8 mod 15. LHS side 91 congruent to minus 344 mod 15. 91 mod 15 congruent to minus 344 mod 15. 91 is greater than 15. Therefore, it is also subjected to modulo operation. 1 congruent to minus 344 mod 15. Answer is 1. Properties of congruence modulo. Theorem 6. If A congruent to B mod M, then AC congruent to BC mod M for any integer C. That is, in the congruence equation, we multiply by some integer C on either side. The equation holds good. Then similarly, A plus or minus C congruent to B plus or minus C mod M for any integer C. In this congruence modulo equation, either side a common integer C is added or subtracted. Still the equation holds good. Application of this theorem 6. 2 congruent to 35 mod 3. That is 35 when divided by 3, remainder is 2. Then either side 7 is added, also 7 is subtracted. Now taking addition, 2 plus 7, 9 congruent to 35 plus 7, 42 mod 3. 9 mod 3 is 0, congruent to 42 mod 3. Coming to the subtraction, LHS side minus 5 congruent to RHS side 35 minus 7, 28 mod 3. To the number minus 5 in LHS, we can add twice the modulo 3, 6. Minus 5 plus 6 is 1. 1 congruent to 28 mod 3. Hence 28 mod 3 is congruent to 1. Now on either side of the congruence equation 11 is multiplied. 2 into 11 congruent to 35 into 11 mod 3. LHS side 22 congruent to 385 mod 3. 22 is 21 plus 1. Therefore, applying mod 3 operation we get 1. 1 is congruent to 385 mod 3. Another example 2 congruent to 35 mod 33. Then 2 into 22. Either side 22 is multiplied. Congruent to 35 into 22 mod 33. LHS side 44 congruent to 770 mod 33. Since 44 is greater than 33, we subject this to mod 33 operation. 44 mod 33 congruent to 770 mod 33. 11 congruent to 770 mod 33. If we divide 770 by 33, we will get 11. If 59 congruent to 3 mod 7, 46 congruent to 4 mod 7, then to which value 105 will be congruent to? 105 is equal to 59 plus 46. 105 mod 7 congruent to 59 mod 7 plus 46 mod 7 is congruent to 3 plus 4 mod 7, because 59 is 3 mod 7, 46 is congruent to 4 mod 7, is congruent to 7 mod 7, is congruent to 0 or equal to 0. So we got 105 is congruent to 0 mod 7. Progress check. 59 congruent to 3 mod 7, 46 congruent to 4 mod 7. To which number 413 will be congruent to with respect to mod 7? Similarly, to which number 368 will be congruent to with respect to mod 7 operation? 413 is equal to 105 into 4 minus 7. Now taking mod 7 on either side, this becomes congruent to 4 into 105 mod 7 minus 7 mod 7. This is 0. 105 also divisible by 7. Therefore, this is also 0. Hence, the answer finally 0. 368. 368 is 105 into 3 plus 53 equal to 3 into 105 plus 46 plus 7. 105 is completely divisible by 7. Therefore, this will give 0. Then 46 mod 7 we know already 4 plus 7 mod 7 is 0. Hence, the entire expression congruent to 0 plus 4 plus 0 mod 7 equal to 4. Progress check. The remainder when 7 into 13 into 19 into 23 into 29 into 31 is divided by 6 is, to get the remainder when this expression divided by 6, we need to take mod on each number, then each remainder we get on applying mod operation is to be multiplied. 7 mod 6, the remainder is 1, therefore it is congruent to 1 mod 6. 13 mod 6 congruent to 1 mod 6. 19 mod 6 congruent to 1 mod 6. 23 mod 6 congruent to 5 mod 6. 29 mod 6 congruent to 5 mod 6. In all these cases, RHS side we write the remainder 31 mod 6 congruent to 1 mod 6. Therefore, this expression will be congruent to 1 into 1 into 1 into 5 into 5 into 1 mod 6. Not numerically equal, but in terms of the remainders on division by 6. Congruent to 25 mod 6. 25 when divided by 6 gives a remainder 1. Therefore, congruent to 1 mod 6. Finally, answer is 1. If we multiply all these, it will be very laborious. Then division by 6 also takes much more time. Instead, we arrive at the answer quickly by modulo operation easily. A special note on reminders. Reminders by congruence modulo. 23 mod 7 is congruent to infinite numbers including 2. Here 2 is the remainder when 23 is divided by modulo 7. If we take 2 which is less than the modulo, then that is the remainder. It is more significant in many calculations. When the congruence modulo contains a number less than the modulo, then that is the remainder. So when we write 23 mod 7 congruent to something, straight away we can write the remainder. That will be more complete congruence equation. Use of remainders in calculations. Certain calculations can be done using the remainders on division by certain numbers or using modulo operator. Example 1. To find the time after 14 hours from 11:30 am, add 14 to 11:30. It becomes 25:30. However, there is no time mentioned as 25 hours or 25:30 hours, since the time wraps around 24. Hence, 24 is to be subtracted from this, or we need to find 25:30 hours mod 24, which is 1 hour 30 minutes or 1:30 am. Today's date is 4th July 2019 and Thursday. What will be the day on 23rd July 2019? We need to find the number of days between the two dates, excluding the from date. So the last date is 19 days from the first date. Then take mod 7 operation on this 19. And if we get 0, then same day as the from date. If remainder is 1, then next day to Thursday and so on. Now 19 mod 7 is congruent to 5. Therefore 5th day from Thursday, which is Tuesday. Please note 19 days are 2 weeks plus 5 days. The complete weeks do not make any change. Therefore you can skip them. Only 5 days is of the interest. From Thursday, 5 days to be added, we get Tuesday. Example 3. Present time is 1:30 hours. What will be time after 34 hours? Now 1:30 plus 34 equal to 35:30, subjected to mod 12 operation. 35:30 modulo 12 equal to 11:30 hours. So the time will be 11:30 hours. Also remember 35:30 is 2 into 12 plus 11:30. So these two 12 hours will be omitted. We arrive at 11:30. Example 4. Today's date is 3rd July 2019 and Wednesday. What day will be 01 December 2019? First, find out the number of days between the two dates. Today 3rd. Therefore, in July 28 days are left out. Then August complete month 31 days. September 30 days. October 31 days. November 30 days. December first day required. Therefore 1 day. Adding all these, we have 123 days. Only the 4 days counts. 4 days after Wednesday, we got Monday. Finding the remainder fast. Casting by modulo. If the modulo n is used to find only the remainder, then cast the required numbers n plus n plus n plus n plus n up to r. Then r is the remainder. To find the remainder when 123 divided by 7, we cast 123 by multiples of 7 is congruent to 140 minus 17 mod 7, 140 minus 14 minus 3 mod 7. is congruent to minus 3 mod 7. This and this gives 0 on mod operation. Congruent to minus 3 minus 4 plus 4. 4 is minused and plused mod 7. Then congruent to minus 7 plus 4 mod 7. Congruent to 4. So 123 when divided by 7 we get 4. Alternately, the expression congruent to minus 3 mod 7 congruent to minus 3 plus 7 mod 7, because 7 mod 7 is 0, that's why we can add 7. Congruent to 4 mod 7, therefore 4. If the modulo m is used to find only the remainder, then cast the required numbers as positive and negative multiples of the divisor m plus remainder r. Then r is the remainder. In 123 division by 7, it is written as 105 plus 14 plus 4. This is divisible by 7, therefore 0. 14, 0. 4 is the answer. 1245 mod 8 is congruent to 1000 plus 240 plus 5 mod 8. First two terms give the remainder 0 on division by 8 or by mod 8 operation. Therefore answer is 5. 12,445 mod 8 equal to 12,000 plus 440 plus 5. This is divisible by 8, gives 0 by mod 8 operation. 440 also gives 0. Hence the answer is 5. Today is Saturday and the date is 27/2019. On what day 8/10/2019 falls? 27/2019 is Saturday. In July, 11 days are remaining. 11 mod 7, 4 days. So, in effect, July only 4 days to be counted. August 31 days. 31 mod 7 is 3 days. So, August only 3 days required to be taken for calculation purpose. September 30 days is 2 days after modulo. October 8 days equal to 1 day. Adding all these, 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 equal to 3 days after today, Saturday. After Saturday, 3 days we add Sunday, Monday, Tuesday is reached. Hence the answer is Tuesday. If 27/19 is Saturday, what day will be 1/1/2020? 27/2019 Saturday, that is July. In July, days left out 11. After mod 7, 4. August 31 days, then 3. Adding these two 7. Again taking mod 0. September 30 after mod 7, 2. October 31 after mod 7, 3. November 30 after mod 7, 2. Now here 0 arrived. Balance we add 2, 3, 5 plus 2, 7, again 0. Then December 31 days. It is congruent to 3 days. Then January 1 day. 3 plus 1, 4 days. Therefore, 4th day after Saturday will be 1/1/2020. That is Wednesday. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe.